So William, we've just been on the river rapids thing. What did you think?
Wet. You know, that's the funny thing about water, it's wet.
Chloe, what do you think? Okay. Thomas?
Yeah, it was okay except from when I got banged by the head out. Yeah, it was good.
Mummy, what do you think?
I didn't get as wet as I thought it would do. Probably got the most.
We had a cool family one as well.
You did?
Mom.
Yeah.
What do you think to the dinosaur? Is that as good as you remember?
Different to what I remember.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What did you think to Dinosaur? No?
Completely inaccurate, completely horror. No, it's worse right here.
Okay. Thomas, Dinosaur.
Yeah, it's probably not as good as the ride I just went on, but it is a very good ride.
Okay. Chloe, did you like Dinosaur ride? Really, really? Expedition Everest.
Faster than I remember it.
Yeah?
Much faster.
Much faster than you remember. What about you? How was that?
I put my hand out to close to actually make sure she was still there. So
What did you think to the
it
ride?
was good. It was that good that I had to make sure she was still there.
Chloe?
Super!
Pardon?
Super!
Super duper
I
duper.
loved it when it went.
What about you, Thomas? Is that your favourite ride in the whole world?
You actually think I'm gonna say yes that? No, I would say that's my second scariest. I didn't necessarily have to say football.
So if you had a choice between that and the Haunted Mansion, which would you pick?
Or Tower of Terror.
What about that and the Tower of Terror?
That, definitely.
So it's your third worst then?
Yeah.
How do you, Dad?
Oh, okay.
So, what did you think, fam?
Okay, how close? It's very scary. I had to close my eyes.
That woman next to you, she seemed to have a good time.
She's gone a bit before she loves it.
Oh, okay. Fair dues. Are you going to do signing out?
Peace out, people.
Yeah.
Remember, subscribe, hit the like button below.
Comments,
Comment
ideas.
if you got anything else, and if you want us to do anything else, give us ideas. The email address and Twitter are on the screen now.
Yeah. Click there.